Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today I'm making peanut butter at home. How excited are you? Yes, so I'm going to make peanut butter. We call it ODDI. Very easy, and I'm just going to use a blender. So please follow on properly, don't miss any direction, and enjoy this video. Yes, so in a bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of peanuts in here. I'm going to wash this until you get clear water. Add a half teaspoon of salt in your peanuts right there and mix them properly. Make sure that salt gets to every peanut in the bowl. Yes, as you can see that. So on a pan, we are going to toast this a bit for 15 minutes. 15 minutes on medium heat. We don't want the peanuts or gnuts, yes. We don't want them to burn. Yes, so they look like this when they are ready. And they have to make sound like this. Yes, that's how you know that they are ready and dry. They have to be really dry and they are very tasty. So get your kitchen towel like that. Make sure it's clean. It's a clean kitchen towel. Add in your gnuts. Yes, now you are going to do this so that we remove the peeling, the outer peeling for the gnuts, because I realized when you leave the outer peeling, our peanut butter will be a bit sour, and I really don't like peanuts on my. I really don't like peels on my gnuts. So yes, this is going to help remove the peelings. Very easy, as you can see. Yeah, so the ones that stay with their peelings, I'll just put it in there like that. Now you're going to separate your gnuts. You're going to separate your peanuts from the peelings, and you get something clean and nice like this. So the ones that still have their peelings, it's okay. They are not many. You can go with. Yes, they look nice. I'm adding them in the grinder. I told you guys I'm going to be using a grinder, but you can also use a blender. And yes, and grind it. It's going to be very easy. Yeah, so just try it out and tell me. So you can add in a pinch of salt, a bit of salt. It's according to how much OD that you are making, but you add in very little, because remember we added in salt before we toasted them, before we roasted them. Yeah, so you blend it until it's nice and smooth like this. The process will take about 10 minutes. It's not very long. Yes, it looks nice. Very, very nice. Now I wanted mine smooth like this. For some people prefer it a bit thicker. You can make it thicker by reducing the time of grinding or blending. Yes. But I wanted mine really smooth like this, and guys, it is nice. Please try it out. Yes. So guys, thank you for watching. Please come back for more recipes. Ciao.